Hi everyone, Sheree here. Today I'm going to be doing a spread for my Life Crafted album using the Citrus Twist Kit's November Gratitude Kit. So I've got a large photo printed out, and that's roughly the size of a traveller's notebook page and perfect to go in the full-size page protector in the album. And then I've got a couple of the journaling cards already chosen. I'm working with these pockets in my album that need to be filled. So there's the two cards and that full-size page there to fill. So that's why I've got these things chosen. The journaling, I've actually decided to print it out using the digital version of the journaling card. So as you can see, my journaling's already printed, ready to go. All I've got to do is cut that one out. But I've also got some things from the kit to use on this spread today. I absolutely love this floral journaling card here. Now I'm using the beautiful glittered alphabet here, the glitter alphabet stickers, and I've got the word beautiful to go with this full-sized photo of these flowers that appeared on my little cactus. Absolutely love those. They were such a lovely surprise that day. I've also got the chipboard pieces here. I'll use a couple of those, and the tiny word stickers as well. And then I've also got the stamp set from the Gratitude Kit, and there's a couple of stamps on here that I'm going to use, like Oh My, and there's another one here that says Sunshine and Good Feelings. And then I've got the other little stamp set that's available in the shop, and I'm going to use a date off of this one, I think. So I think I'm ready to get started. I'll pop you on fast forward and get right into it. Alright, so there's my journaling card all cut out, ready to use. And I've just flipped that floral card upside down because I just thought it looked better with the floral at the bottom. I'm using a tiny sticker, tiny word sticker, and I do want to use that chipboard arrow, but I'm not sticking it down just yet because I do want to add some stitching. So I'm going to go ahead and add a couple more stickers to the top right hand corner of that large photo. And I was contemplating layering them together. As you can see, I'm fiddling around there, which I don't end up doing, but I'm grabbing that chipboard piece just to work out the spacing and where I want to put these stickers. So just sticking those ones on, and then I can grab my sewing machine and I'll add some stitching to each of those cards. Alright, so the stitching's done. I can go ahead and add that circular chipboard piece that says Love This to that top right corner, and another chipboard piece that says Yes on that Today card as well. Then I'm going to add a little heart next to those stickers on the photo. And I'm still not going to stick that arrow down because now I'm going to do a little bit of stamping on that floral card. So I will do the date first because that was already sitting on my block because I'd used that earlier. So I've got the date going on to the bottom of the Today card, and then I've just got a date stamp from my stash. Just do a little test stamp there, then straight onto the card, and then that one is done. So next up I've got that lovely phrase that says Sunshine and Good Feelings. So I'll just do another little test, and then I'll get that arrow out of the way and go onto the card. I really love how that's stamped up, nice and crisp. Now I've got the words Oh My, so I'm going to do that just above the phrase that I've just stamped. So that one looks good as well. So now I can go ahead and add that arrow just underneath that word sticker. Okay, make sure it's nice and secure. Okay, so next up I've got the title to go onto that large photo. So I'll go ahead and carefully stick those down, making sure I be really careful, line them up as best I can. So that's now done. So I'll give you a closer look at these, and then I do end up adding a little heart to this card as well. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing how this spread's come together. I had so much fun putting this one together. I love that large photo, and I think these cards and embellishments just suited this spread perfectly. Alright, let me know if you've got any questions, just pop them down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can, and I'll leave a link to Citrus Twist kits down below as well, and I'll see you again soon with another project. Bye for now.